You have been selecting for an upgrade. PyData. Let's get lost in the chaos.
A deep dive into data and AI reveals abundance, color, diversity, and constant movement. The deep blue is out of this world.
Every intelligent system starts with imagination. Creativity becomes momentum. A structure meets experimentation, where bold ideas become systems. And all here in Amsterdam.
What I love about the data is the silence that sometimes will surround us at some moment. Crochet is not just crafting, it is structure, mathematics, geometry, algorithm. This is what I love about it.